Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I was on the hunt for a really protective iPad case because my children use my iPad just as much as I do. I landed on this one from SUPFIVES and it's perfect. What I like about this one is that the iPad sits inside this frame. So when I received it, they gave me very clear instructions on how to assemble it. But because it sits within a frame, you have this nice protective lip that goes around the perimeter of my iPad screen. So in the chance that this does fall, it's never gonna land on the screen because of that barrier. This also has a really nice silicone backing. I think that helps absorb the shock in case it does fall, and it's just an added layer of protection. One of the things I loved about this for my children was the handle on the back. Most of the time, if this gets dropped, it's because my kids are toting it from point A to B. So this gives them something solid to hold on to. So hopefully it's not dropped to begin with. Another specific feature I was looking for is I wanted a case to be able to set the iPad up in portrait or landscape. This one does. The stand rotates 360 degrees, so you can set it at any angle. That's really convenient because certain apps are not interchangeable between landscape and portrait. So with this iPad stand, it doesn't matter. It's gonna accommodate both of those. This also comes with a strap, not something that we've utilized. We like using the handle, but it does give you an alternative option to toting it around. You have a place for a stylus. Overall, I think this is fantastic. I find that it's the most protective case that I've found for my iPad, and really it's exactly what I was looking for. And that's my point of view.